When you're thinking about buying car insurance, it can feel like stepping into a maze. Policies, premiums, deductibles. It's enough to make your head spin. But let's break it down together, in plain language, so by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what you're getting into. Think of car insurance like a safety net. If something unexpected happens, an accident, damage, or even theft, you don't have to shoulder the entire financial burden on your own. Instead, your insurance company steps in to cover part or all of those costs. That peace of mind is really the whole point. Now, when you shop around, the first thing you'll notice is that no two policies are exactly the same. Every company offers different rates, different coverage options, and different extras. But underneath all that, the foundation is usually the same: liability insurance, which is often legally required, and optional coverages like comprehensive and collision. Liability is there to protect other people if you cause an accident. Comprehensive covers things like theft or weather damage. Collision helps fix your own car after a crash. Something a lot of people don't realize is that your rate isn't just based on your driving record. Insurance companies look at where you live, how old you are, how often you drive, even your credit score in some states. That's why two people with the same car can end up paying completely different amounts for insurance. So how do you make sure you're getting the right deal? Start by figuring out what coverage you truly need. If you're driving a brand new car, full coverage might make sense. If your car is older and worth less, you might save money by sticking with liability only. Don't forget to compare quotes from multiple companies. It's like shopping for anything else. Prices can vary more than you'd expect. Finally, understand the fine print. Things like deductibles, exclusions, and limits matter. A lower monthly premium might sound great, but if your deductible is sky high, you'll be paying a lot out of pocket before insurance even kicks in. Car insurance doesn't have to be overwhelming. When you strip away the jargon, it's really about protecting yourself financially and giving yourself peace of mind every time you get behind the wheel. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.